Vitamin C serum is one of the best things you can use on your skin for anti-aging, but it can be a very big problem for people with sensitive skin. Well, I'm going to let you know what should work best for you if you have sensitive skin and give you some vitamin C alternatives you probably didn't know about in today's video. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new and you're not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris Gibson. I'm a skincare expert of 34 years, and I'm here to help you find skincare that will work for you, not into your wallet, and not do you more harm than good. So if that's the kind of content that you've been looking for here on YouTube, please be sure and subscribe and hit that little notification bell so that you know when my new videos are up every week. And for those of you who are already on the channel or new, please be sure you're following me on social media, because there are a lot of things go on there on Instagram and Facebook that don't happen here on YouTube, plus the blog. Links for all of that below, obviously, in the video description box. Well, as I said, vitamin C serum, one of the very best things that you can put on your skin. I recommend it in almost every skincare routine that I put together for you guys because it does such a great job protecting your skin from oxidative stress, free radicals. It brightens your complexion, helps stop hyperpigmentation and age spots, and it also supports and promotes collagen production. But it can be very irritating for certain skin types, especially if you have sensitive or very dry skin. Those seem to be the two areas where vitamin C serum causes the most issue, and there's a reason for that. First of all, there are two versions of typical topical vitamin C serums. The first being Ascorbic Acid. We talk a lot about that here on the channel. It's very strong, it's unstable, it expires, it has to be kept in a dark bottle, pretty much airtight, and it works for a while in the skin, but then it starts to break down. However, it is a great topical for many people. It works very well at all the things that we just talked about. Number one anti-aging serum that you should be using every morning. Now, for some of you with sensitive skin, you have switched over to sodium ascorbyl phosphate products, which are the more drugstore type vitamin C serums. They tend to be less expensive. It's not as strong a version of vitamin C, whereas an Ascorbic acid is very strong, 15% concentration usually to get those anti-aging benefits, whereas sodium ascorbyl phosphate is stable, milder to the skin, takes a little bit longer to work, but will deliver similar benefits over time. So there are products I talk about on the channel, like The Ordinary's 23% vitamin C suspension, which is a very strong vitamin C, versus say like Olay Regenerist vitamin C serum, which is going to be a sodium ascorbyl phosphate version. However, even switching to the milder version, some still have issues with dryness, redness, and irritation, things that we don't want to create on the surface of the skin with any kind of skincare ingredient, because it's going to cause more problems on down the line. But today, I want to give you guys some alternatives to vitamin C serums that you can put in your skincare routine to replace that if you're having issues, some of which may surprise you. The first one probably will, and that is something we talk about on the channel all the time, which is niacinamide. Now, niacinamide is made from vitamin B. It is a very soothing ingredient to the skin. However, it has some of the same antioxidant properties. It helps brighten skin, it helps control oil production, and it reduces inflammation and redness. So niacinamide can be a great step in your skincare routine, giving you similar benefits to vitamin C over time. Now, this is The Ordinary's version of niacinamide. It comes with zinc as well. Very soothing to the skin, as I said, very inexpensive product, can replace your vitamin C serum. Now, I will place links for all the products that we discussed today in this video, these alternatives, down below in the video description box so that you can check them out after we're done. The next alternative to consider for a vitamin C serum replacement really will probably surprise a lot of you, and that's Indian ginseng or Indian ginseng extract. Now, you could take this product as a supplement, but there are also serums and moisturizers that are made with it. Now, obviously, Indian ginseng is going to deliver some of the same benefits as vitamin C. It helps improve skin vitality and vibrancy. But here is perhaps the biggest benefit that Indian ginseng will give your skin. Now, we spend a lot of time on this channel talking about sun protection for your skin, UVA, UVB light. Not going to get on that soapbox right now, but there is another kind of light that is the artificial light that comes from digital devices. You call it blue light. That light can actually penetrate your skin more deeply affecting the mitochondria and fibroblasts that are cells that help make our skin stay firm. So that's a really big problem. Well, Indian ginseng has been shown to be able to penetrate deep enough to provide an extra layer of protection, especially when included in sunscreens, but also as serum topicals to your skin. So it can actually protect you from damage, long-term damage from the digital devices that we are in front of every day. That would be your phone, your laptop, or your iPad. Now you can find Indian ginseng listed several different ways in product list. Oftentimes it will say winter cherry or ashwagandha. And again, probably hear more about those as internal supplements, which are very helpful. Still going to help your skin from the inside out, but they also come in topicals, which I will give you some recommendations for both down below in the video description box for Indian ginseng. Now, when we think of saffron and turmeric, I never can say that right. Anyway, when we think of those two herbs, we think of them typically as a spice in food, but they are very, very helpful to your skin. They are packed full of powerful carotenoids, which have been proven to help protect and strengthen cell walls, especially when it comes to the skin and organs. And as a surface topical, they help brighten skin. They reduce hyperpigmentation and age spots by dispersing the melanin that collects in the upper layers of the skin. Very powerfully effective on protecting your skin from photoaging. Now, there are a lot of products that I have talked about in the past that include these ingredients. One of them is this particular mask. It's the Gleeman mask. It's a vitamin C mask that is made with turmeric and a special type of clay. So it's very effective at brightening the skin. And yes, it does have a form of vitamin C in it, but it is washed away from the skin after providing those benefits. So you're not going to have the product sitting on your skin on an ongoing basis. But this stuff is really, really good. They sell out of it all the time. Again, I will link to this and some other products that you can use that have saffron and turmeric as a serum in the video description box for you. Now, another excellent vitamin C alternative is vinifrin, which is extracted from grapevine sap. So it is a very powerful antioxidant ingredient that's been proven to be very helpful with age spots, dark marks left over from acne, and hyperpigmentation, including melasma. Now, the only issue I have with this ingredient is that you can only get it with one skincare line that I've been able to find that actually extracts it, and that's Caudalie. Now, that's a brand that I have reviewed on the channel. Their products are very wonderful. They work. They can be a little bit pricey, but if you really are looking for a vitamin C alternative, this would be a product that I would take a really hard look at. Tested it. It's a great formulation, but again, I don't like to get hooked on or dependent on a product that comes from one particular brand, because what happens if that brand goes away? But hopefully we will see more anti-aging lines embrace this particular ingredient because it is very powerful. And next up on the list is a product that I've been spending a lot of time reviewing and talking about on the channel. It's a product that is currently in my own skincare routine. So if you go and watch my skincare routine videos, for my personal routine, you're going to see alpha arbutin included in this. Now, this is a skincare acid that is very potent and yet at the same time very mild to skin. And it does a lot of the same things Vitamin C Serum does. It helps brighten the skin, and it really helps disrupt and disperse the melanin production in pockets that occur on the skin, you know, age spots. So it helps with those things. It's been proven to help with melasma, which can also come along with a lot of skin irritation. So it's very mild to skin and it works over time. In fact, all of these products are going to take some time to work, just like Vitamin C Serum. None of these, including Vitamin C, are miracle products that are going to make an instantaneous change on your skin, but they will help your skin produce healthier and healthier cells, even out the complexion by brightening the skin, reducing those age spots, and helping to plump out fine lines and wrinkles. Now, the product that I use myself is Naturium's 2% alpha arbutin. Again, an excellent way to get the same benefits as a vitamin C serum. And really, these products in general cost much less than most of them. This one is only $20. Really, any of these is an excellent choice for your skincare routine to replace vitamin C, yet give you the same benefits without that increased risk of irritation. Now, I hope this information to you guys was helpful. If it was, please give the video a like, please share it out, and let me know in the comments below what alternative products to vitamin C serums you've tried, how they worked out for you. Also, be sure to check out my videos that are coming up next to help you get your best skin ever. Thank you guys so much for watching the channel and supporting it. I know you have a choice here on YouTube. I really do appreciate it. Stay beautiful, and I will see you over on the next video. Got a skincare question you want answered? Just type Chris Gibson and the topic in the YouTube search bar and the video will come up.